In the process,
we must not be guilty of wrongful deeds. Let us not seek to satisfy our thirst for freedom or drinking from the cup of bitterness and hatred. Let us forever conduct our struggle
in the
high plane of dignity and discipline. Let us not allow our
creative protest.
Let us not allow
Our creative protest. Creative protest.
our creative protest to degenerate into
Physical violence. Again and again.
Again and again,
We must rise to
we
majesty.
must rise in the majestic heights. Again and again, we must rise in the majestic heights
Meeting
meeting physical force with soul force.
I say to you, my friends,
I say to you, my friends, that even though
we must face
I say to you, my friends, that even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream. It's a dream that's deeply rooted in American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed.
behold these truths.
Behold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day out in the red hills of Georgia, sons of the former slaves and sons of the former slaves owners will
Be able to join.
will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be able to transform into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by their character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day down in Alabama, with its vicious races, with its governor having his lips dripping with the words of interposition and nullification, that one day, right down in Alabama, little white boys and white girls will be able to join hands with little black boys and black girls as sisters and brothers. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be engulfed, every hill shall be exalted, and every mountain shall be made low. The rough places shall be made